Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make free logo without using any software. All you need is just your browser and your internet, and let's start. First of all guys, go to this website. The link will be below in the description. Click on it, and as you can see here, there is a lot of logos. You can choose the example that you want. And as you can see here, this logo is for gamers. So if you are a gamer, you can choose this logo. Let's take it for example. And here write the name that you want to put in the logo. Let's write our name for example. And click go. As you can see guys, it's pretty simple. So that's it guys, I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next video. Goodbye.